A meal which consists of pizza, burger, and dough balls is one of the best we have. What better than having tiny, bite-sized mini pizza burger dough balls that are so yummy to eat and super easy to make? The ingredients required are beef, some herbs, pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and eggs. Let's try it. Season 500 grams of beef mince with 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix together by hand. Then remove a small piece and roll it into a ball. Press out the ball on a chopping board to make a mini burger. Then cook this in a hot pan. Turn over after a few minutes to make sure the beef is cooked through. Look at them sizzle. Then flatten out 45 grams of pizza dough. Top with a mini burger, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of mozzarella cheese and a slice of pepperoni. And another burger. Wrap up the sides of your dough to create your dough ball. Lay them out on a baking tray and coat with egg yolk mixture to create a glaze. You can then sprinkle with white sesame seeds for a finishing touch. Now bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Once completed, it's time to serve up. Serve up with your favourite chips. I love crinkle cut ones. A brilliant treat for your favourite people.